Hi everyone. Why does saving money feel so hard, even when you know it's important? In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to make saving easier. But first, you need to understand what your brain is doing. Every time you save money, it feels like you're losing something. You see 1,000 rupees, and instead of thinking, I'm building my future, your brain thinks, I'm losing the chance to spend this right now. And this creates a strange feeling. Saving doesn't feel like a gain. It feels like a loss. But here's where it gets interesting. Your brain is actually wired to avoid losses more than it values gains. Losing 1,000 rupees feels more painful than gaining 1,000 rupees feels good. So when you save money, your brain reacts as if something is being taken away from you. That's why saving feels uncomfortable. But this is not the only problem. There's another reason saving is so difficult. Your brain prefers instant rewards over future benefits. Spending gives you happiness today. Saving gives you benefits months or years later. And your brain always chooses what feels good now, even if it hurts you later. So if your brain is wired this way, how do you fix it? The first solution is simple. Make saving feel like a reward. Instead of just saving money, track your progress. Watch your savings grow. Set small milestones. Because when your brain sees progress, it starts feeling rewarded. The second solution is even more powerful. Automate your savings. Don't rely on willpower. Set up automatic transfers. So money moves into savings before you even think about spending it. This removes the decision completely. And once saving becomes automatic, it stops feeling painful. So the next time saving feels difficult, remember this. It's not a discipline problem. It's a brain problem. And once you understand it, you can start working with your brain instead of against it. Stay curious, keep improving, and subscribe for more.